Wayne, you want to touch it? You want to touch the pumpkin? Look good. It don't even look scary. I need to give it some eyebrows. No. Yeah, eyebrows. Touch it, Wayne. You want to touch the pumpkin? Come on. Touch it. You want to take a picture with the pumpkin? Come on, stand beside the pumpkin and take a picture. Stand right here. You want to take a picture with the pumpkin? Come on. Come on. You ready? Come on. Come on, stand over here. Say cheese. Come on. Come on, man. Stand right there. Come on. Get right there. All right. He's a big boy. Say cheese. Cheese. Oh, Wayne took a picture with the pumpkin. You want to touch it? Touch it. Touch it, Wayne. Oh, that's a big boy. All right, hand clap. We got to give Wayne a hand clap for touching the pumpkin. Oh, look at him go. He's out of there. He's out of there.